Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to manage our supply chain list for Outdoorish, which is our little IBC company. So this is just a list of questions, and I'm going to put in some hyperlinks as to how to answer these questions so that when you do encounter something that you don't know, you can always refer back to this list. And also, just FYI, I may or may not be adding more questions, whether it's throughout the semester or anything like that, or even just throughout this video. So if you see more questions, that's why. I'm going to put a little period there. So the first video I'm going to create is first thing I would suggest. So the first thing that I would suggest is that you get this Google Docs sheet saved to your taskbar up here. If you use Google Chrome, great. If you use the Internet Explorer, you can do the same thing. I have a bunch of tabs saved up here, as you can see, but for the sake of this video, what I do to save it to my bar so that I got easy access is to have it right there. And then I also have a folder for Outdoorish weekly sales and production, so I save it there. So now every time I go to the computer, I'm logged into Google Chrome, I click on other bookmarks, Outdoors Weekly Sales, week 3, and it pops up just like that. So do it however you want, but just make sure that you have it saved, and it's very easy to make it. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.